In this video, I will show you how to make a Paysafecard account. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you're going to want to do is come across to the official website, which is paysafecard.com. Now, from the homepage, you should see the sign up button here, and you've also got a sign up button up here. So what you want to do is click onto one of these buttons, and now there's going to be 7 steps to complete. So the first thing you're going to want to do is select your country and click continue, and then go ahead and enter an email address and a password. Once that's done, if you want, you can get offers from carefully selected Paysafecard partners. So if you want to do that, you can tick this box here and then click continue underneath. What's going to happen now is they're going to send a verification link to your email address. So you want to make sure that the email you enter you do have access to. If you don't, what you can do is change the email address by clicking here, and then just go into your email and verify your account. So make sure you keep this page open, because once you've verified your email address, once you come back here, you're going to see it's going to say continue. So of course what you want to do is click the blue continue button and go on to the next step. Next, what you want to do is fill out your first name, last name and date of birth. Once that's done, click continue underneath. And then what you want to do is go ahead and enter your address. And then once again, click the continue button at the bottom. And now what you want to do is enter your mobile number. So I'm just going to pop that into here. What's going to happen, they're now going to send a 6-digit code to your mobile number. So next you want to go ahead and enter that in. Once that's done, you're going to get a confirmation message, and that's going to redirect you to your Paysafecard account. So that's how to go ahead and make a Paysafecard account. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.